If the sum of the zeros of the polynomial k square minus 14 of x square minus 2x minus 12 is 1, then k equal to, so clearly given it is sum of the zeros are indicated by alpha, their sum is alpha plus beta is equal to 1. We know alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a is equal to 1, minus here b is x coefficient, don't forget to take negative symbol when they have minus 2, by a is nothing but x square coefficient, that is k square minus 14 is equal to 1, minus into minus plus, so 2 by k square minus 14 is equal to 1. Do cross multiplication. K square minus 14 ones are k square minus 14, 2 ones are 2. Minus 14 becomes plus 2 plus 14. So k square is equal to 16. K is equal to root 16. So k is equal to plus or minus 4. Because every real number has two square roots, positive